Okay, this is example second, B. And I'm hoping after the intro and example A that it's not so daunting, this section of work. But let's see. We start off by looking at the inequality and what it says. This inequality is asking for the values above the x-axis. So I'm keeping that note there for myself because I need it when I get to my solution section. Right, so now we start doing the solving. We start off by getting the critical values. You need to explicitly state CV's critical values, please. Otherwise, it looks like that is your answer. So we go x squared plus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. And this is only for the purpose of solving. Now we need the factors of 8 that can produce a plus 2. That will be plus 4 and minus 2 equal to 0. Right, so therefore the critical values is when x is minus 4 or when x is 2. So now that I have my x-intercepts, I can go ahead and draw my rough sketch, my step 2. Okay, rough sketch is drawn. My values go from minus 4 to 2. Obviously, the smaller value is on the left, the bigger value is on the right. And now we go to the solution. So the solution is wherever our graph, the parabola that I just drew, is above the x-axis. And as you can see, my graph is above the x-axis on this side and also on this side. So it happens at two separate places. It happens over here, and then it also happens over here. But more specifically, it happens at 2 and to the right of 2, and then it happens at 4 and to the left of 4. Okay, so now let's get into writing this. So where is this graph above the x-axis? Well, it's above the x-axis when x is greater than, and don't forget about this guy here, or equal to 2. So all these values bigger than 2 up to infinity. The second situation is when x is less than, don't forget about this guy, or equal to minus 4. And so now I have a plethora of options where this graph is above the x-axis because it happens over here on the left all the way to negative infinity and on the right all the way to infinity. And that is the answer, and that is the end.